Vande Mataram. Today I'll be reading a story from the book Stories Told by the Mother. Untidy Room, Untidy Mind. People who don't know how to deal with things carefully don't deserve to have them. Sri Aurobindo has often written on this subject in his letters. He has said that if you don't know how to take care of material things, you have no right to have them. Indeed, this shows a kind of selfishness and confusion in human beings, and it is not a good sign. And then later, when they grow up, some of them cannot keep a cupboard or drawer in order. They may be in a room that looks tidy outwardly, and when you open a drawer or a cupboard, it is like a battlefield. You find everything in a jumble. Nothing is arranged. These are people with poor little heads in which ideas lie in the same state as their material objects. They have not organized their ideas. They haven't put them in order. They live in a cerebral confusion. And that is a sure sign that I have never met an exception to this rule. People who don't know how to keep their things in order, their ideas are always in disorder in their heads. You only need to speak for 10 minutes with people to know in what state their belongings are. And I have also seen that most of you never organize your pencil box or clean the clutter from your school bag. Sometimes you're not even aware of the notebooks that are in your bag, and you're not arranging your bag according to the timetable. So, we need to understand the importance of being organized and methodical in our daily lives. Being organized and methodical helps you manage your time effectively, ensuring you complete assignments and projects on time without feeling overwhelmed. A methodical approach to studying and learning can make you stay focused and productive, leading to a better academic performance. You tend to write your answers in a systematic manner, which obviously will get you better grades. Organized living habits can help you retain information better. As you review and organize your notes and study materials in a way that makes sense to you, and you find your notebooks and your notes in time. When you're organized in your approach to schoolwork, you are more likely to stay on top of your assignments, study effectively, and perform better in your classes. Organization and methodical thinking can develop critical thinking skills as they make you analyze and systematically process information. Developing an organizational and methodical habit in school can prepare you for your future life and for your success in your career and personal lives, as these skills are valuable in all aspects of life. So, let us promise to transform ourselves to keep our notebooks, our bag, and our study table organized, to keep our consciousness and intelligence in order. Thank you.